Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you try to open Google Chrome in Windows 10 and you can't do it, so how you can fix it? So you just need to click on Ctrl Alt and Del in one time. So just do it, and after you will see Task Manager. So just open the Task Manager, and here you need to find your application Google Chrome. So just right tap on it and choose and task, and now just try again to open your app. So here you can see that it successfully opened. So just try, I hope it will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.